Hi, my name is Daniel from Artintech. I'm going to be showing you how to create a purchase order for Procipacks. From dashboard, select Procurement, Purchase Orders. At the top right hand here, you can see a plus sign. So we have our PO number already ready. You can just simply choose our date, the supplier, ship to, the address that you have been given. Just going to use this for an example. And notes if you have any. You can just put NA if you don't have any. And we're going to use FOB for shipment term and delivery date time. So I'm just going to put this for 2 days from now. Delivery form, air, save. Top right here, we have this export PDF. So you can include the PDF if needed. It'll give all the information they need if you need to show a PDF to the company. So just create, and you have your PDF there if you want to save. Now you can also add your PO item individually like this if needed. Unit of measurement, quantity, let's just say 5, unit price, let's say 10. Save, and boom. Or you can add the PO item by quote if they have already given you a quote, or a quote from any other item that you've already used before. You can also export it as an XLSX. The purchase order is used, for example, from quotes that they have given to you for the items. And if they have been paid or not, if they have been ordered, and if they have received the quantity of the items, however many they have received. If you go back here where the purchase orders are, you can also see if they've been ordered or partially fulfilled. So this person has fulfilled one of their items and they've received 20 quantities of it, which is all of the 20 that they have created the quote for.